no matter how well we try to be fair, there is always political will, goodwill that is needed or that is used to distribute resources across the country. And that is why you have seen some places across the public have lagged behind in development because of skewness in allocation of development resources. However, funds like National Government Constituency Development Fund have been clearly demonstrated and studied globally as being the one tool that assures fairness in terms of distribution of resources across all the 290 constituencies in the Republic of Kenya. Today, you might be politically correct and get resources allocated in your area. You do not know what could happen in the next election or in the other one or another one to come. And therefore, that's why it must be deliberate that NG CDF be anchored in the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, so that every year, irrespective of which political leadership we have as a country, we are sure there's going to be distribution of resources across the country, irrespective of which political divide you belong to. Today, you may be politically correct. Elections could change tomorrow or the day after. But NG CDF guarantees that irrespective of which side of the political divide you sit on, there is allocation of resources to the people, to the grassroots, and that is the beauty of NG